Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the logical OR operator. The logical OR operator is denoted by these two pipe symbols, and inside of the keyboard, basically for most of the keyboards, it is the key just above your enter key or the return key. Okay, and what we have to do, shift and then backslash to basically type the pipe symbol here. Okay, so let's discuss about the logical OR operator. So what we'll do, console log, so just like the before, so true, and then we will do OR true. Okay, so it will be true. Okay, that is good. Console log, as you can see, true, or let's do false, it will be also be true. Okay, so in this case, in the case of the logical OR operator, only one of the values inside of the conditions must be true. Okay, so console log, what we can do, false or true. Okay, that will be also be true. Okay, console log, false or false, that will be false. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So this is different from the logical AND operator. Okay, so when this logical OR operator might be useful, for example, what you are doing, you are running a show, and there you will not take any money from the children below the 5-year age, and the people who are elderly people who are above the 65 years of age. Okay, and the other people who are in between of them has to pay. So what we can do, we can do if, and then we can do something like this. And first of all, what we have to do, we have to declare the variable let age equals to something like 30. Okay, something like that. So now if the age is less than or equals to 5, or if the age is greater than and equals to 65, if that is the case, then what we have to do, we can do something like, hey, you can enter for free. Okay, all right, so you can enter for free. And then else what we can do, we can do a console log like, hey, you have to pay like $10 to enter the show. Okay, as you can see, you have to pay $10 to enter the show. It is now being printed. Now if I just do something like 2, so like, hey, you can enter for free. If I do something like let's do 70, okay, hey, you can also enter for free. Okay, so in that case, the logical OR operator is quite useful. And one of the other things which I can show it to you here as well, for the logical AND and the logical OR operators, we are not only confined with the two different basically conditions. We can chain as much conditions as we like. Okay, we can chain multiple conditions here. So what I can do, I can just go here and let's do a RGBA checker. Okay, let's create a RGBA checker. So user will pick a color and we will just tell the user like, hey, this color belongs to the RGB. Okay, so what we can do, we can do let color equals to something like red. Okay, for starting, and if the color equals to red, okay, or if the color equals to blue, or the color, okay, let's do color equals to green. Okay, if that is the case, then you have picked a RGB color. Okay, else console.log, you have picked a random color. Okay, awesome. So you have picked the RGB color or you have picked the random color. So as you can see, you have picked a RGB color. But if I just do something like violet or purple. Okay, if I just save that, as you can see, you have picked a random color. So as you can see, we can chain multiple conditions with the logical OR operator. Also, we can do the same with the logical AND operators as well. Okay, awesome. So this is the logical OR operator. Okay, as you can see, when one of the two basically conditions are true, then it will evaluate it as true. Okay, awesome. So this is the logical OR operator in JavaScript.